Dr. Posia back from the class. Now, let's actually go to the next one, which is question number 4 of this 2021 UC paper. Now, shed A intersection B complement intersection C. Now, for some people, they might actually work on this directly because they've actually gotten used to how to solve this question. But some people might have challenges on how to go about solving such. Now, if you have challenges in terms of shading, what you can do is this. You can actually work on these individually. That means you work on A intersection B, then you find its complement, then you find its intersection with C. So that whatever elements that are in that set, that's what you'll be shading on this diagram. Now, what shall we do? It's very simple. Let's put letters in each of these regions. So make sure that you know what each of these region represents. So let's put an A there. Let's put a B there. Let's put a C. Let's put a D. Put an E there. We'll put F here. Then we put G. And outside we put H. So what did I say? The first thing that you do is that you're supposed to find A intersection B. So intersection B actually means elements that are found in both A and B. So if you're to list set A and if you're to list set B, you should be able to come up with their complements. So let me just use this. Let me just do this step by step so that no one is confused. So there's A, B, D, and E. That's for set A, B. Let's use small letters. A, B, D, and E. Then B. So set B, what do we have? So set B, we have B, C, E, F. B, B, C, E, F. So what's common between these two? It's definitely B and E. So meaning A intersection, just use this B is equal to B and E. Now, if they say complement, what do they mean? They actually mean what's not in that named set. So what do we know? We know that our universal set has A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is our universal set. Now, what you do is this. If they say A intersection B complement, remove B and E from that universal set. So if we remove B and E, what shall we remain with? So what we shall now remain with is the complement. So A intersection B complement. Where the okay, complement, meaning B is out. So A, B is out, C, D is out, F, G, H. That's the complement. Then we are actually finding the intersection with C. So set C, so let's name set C. So set C, that's D, E, F, D, E, F, G. Now, what's common between the two? So there's G, there's F here, there's G and F. So G and F, that is what is common. So meaning we are shading the region where there's G and F, B complement intersection C. So this is equal to what? FG. This is what we have. So meaning if we are now shading this guy, we shade this region here. Now it's not really the best of shading, but at least you've seen how you go about this. So this is the region that you shade. Now make sure that if you can't shade directly, you write what I've written here. You can write these on a separate paper, or you can actually write them here, something like that, so that you go about it an easier way. So this is the answer to this question. So our online classes are in progress. Grade 10 to 12 and those writing on a GC. So these are the charges. The category subject for grade 10 to 12. GC candidates, 60 kwacha, biology, and the other subjects also 60 kwacha. Science only is the one that's 100 kwacha. So we have got groups for each of these subjects. So for science, we have a group for chemistry and we have a group for physics. So they're actually different. Modes of learning, we have Zoom, Google Meet, and we have pre-recorded videos for those who are mostly busy, and especially due to the fact that there's a lot of load shedding. And when there's no power, some networks start tripping. So we've actually included recorded videos to cover for those people uh, who are mostly busy. And due to the load shedding thing, these are mostly suitable. Then if you're slow enough, you did your grade 12 several years ago, you're mostly busy, you mostly go for work, civil servant, you actually have got special classes uh, available. So in addition to these classes, we actually have got one-on-one classes, so which you actually learn alone. For the other classes, you actually learn with everyone. Then you actually follow what I'm doing. But for these classes, you actually decide exactly what you want to learn, where you want to start from. If you want to start from grade 10 work, it's up to you to decide. If you want to start from grade 11 work, it's up to you to decide where you'd want to start from. Each person is actually given 4 sessions per week. Each session is actually 40 minutes. In addition to that, you get to receive all the topical videos for grade 10 to 12 topics for each subject that you pay for. So regardless of the subjects that you are doing, the charge is still fixed. It's just 600. It's fixed. It's a fixed charge. It doesn't change because it's according to the number of sessions that you get per week, which I've said you get 4 sessions, then you receive recorded videos every day. So even if you're doing classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but for the recorded videos, you get to receive them every day. So you go through the videos which I send, which are mostly 40 minutes minimum. Because of course I have a schedule. So if you join, I'll make a schedule for you so that we can actually finish all the topics if you are in grade 10, we start from grade 10 work and progress. If you're writing under GCE, we actually make sure that we finish everything within now and June, so that July we'll just be doing reviews. Then in these one-on-one classes as well, we also go through past papers. So in the normal classes, yes, we go through past papers. In the one-on-one, it's either we're doing reviews or I'm going through questions, or I'm going through past papers. If I send videos and you understand everything, when we go live, you and I, we just go through past paper questions and all that relating to that topic that we are currently doing. So if you don't want to join any of these, you can let me know so that I can make a schedule for you. So the sessions are there. You can give me the days, you can give me what time you are free, then I'll confirm if the time that you've stated is free. If it's not free, then we definitely have to see some other time that we can actually allocate to you. But these are the sessions. So make sure that you send a message on WhatsApp so that you can actually register for these classes. If there are any questions regarding GC registrations, you can let me know as well, because we have a GC center at Musamba Secondary School that's in Chilanga. It's a government school, by the way. If you're not in Lusaka, you're in other parts of the country, you can also let me know, and I can actually advise on the schools that you can actually enter from, be it on the Copper Belt in Lusaka, uh, Southern Province, Northwestern. You can just let me know where you're from, and I can guide you on the right schools that you can actually enter from. So I am signing out, and we'll meet up in the next